What is a text structure? Compare, contrast. Text structure refers to how a piece of text is built. Remember, writers use different structures to build their ideas. Each text structure communicates ideas in a different way. Suppose an author wanted to explain how these two birds are similar and different. Chronological order wouldn't work. There is no order of events. The author would need to use compare and contrast text structure. When authors use the text structure of compare and contrast, they often use special signal words or clue words to show this text structure. What are the signal words in this paragraph? Read along with me. The cardinal and the goldfinch are two common birds. Both are brightly colored. Both are common at bird feeders, but the birds have some differences. The male cardinal is a bright red, while the male goldfinch is yellow. Cardinals like shrubs and trees, while goldfinches prefer open meadows. What are the signal words in this paragraph? Did you find both, but, differences, while? Good job. Some other words to signal compare and contrast include however, on the other hand, similarity, or similarly, like, and unlike. Details from a compare-contrast text can be easily organized as a Venn diagram. We can also use a chart to show these details. What is the difference between chronological order and compare and contrast text structures? How can clue words help you as a reader? How can you use them as a writer?